Before we start creating your YouTube channel, there are a few rules and guidelines that you should be familiar with. Following YouTube's policies and rules will ensure that your YouTube business account stays in good standing. Anyone planning to be a content creator on YouTube should take the time to understand the platform rules. The terms and policies may change over time, so it's important to review them periodically to make sure you're following the correct rules. If you violate the YouTube terms, your channel can be removed and your account terminated. This has actually been occurring a lot recently, so make sure you're always staying on top of the most recent terms in case YouTube makes more revisions. You don't want to spend hours of your time each week creating your channel, uploading videos, and building your following, only to have everything taken away because you didn't follow the YouTube rules. So let's take a look at some of the current guidelines, rules, and policies for YouTube creators. The YouTube Terms of Service are rules that apply to anyone that uses the YouTube platform. Violating the Terms of Service can result in your channel being removed or your account being terminated. The Terms of Service covers the permissions and restrictions for using YouTube services. Everyone that uses the YouTube platform must also follow the community guidelines. These common sense rules are in place to ensure YouTube remains a great place for its users by prohibiting things like spam and harassment. Inappropriate content can be flagged by other users or YouTube's technology. If your content doesn't follow the community guidelines, you will first receive a warning. If policies are again violated, you can receive a community guidelines strike. The first strike will result in you not being able to post anything for a week. A second strike violation will result in not being able to post for 2 weeks. But just like baseball, if you get 3 strikes, this means you're out and your account will be terminated. If you receive a strike, but feel your content is not in violation of the community guidelines, you can file an appeal with YouTube. When uploading content, you should also be aware of the use of copyrighted material. The music, video, and artwork in your content should be your original content or authorized to be used by the content's creator. If you use someone else's content without permission, they can submit a takedown request to YouTube. This can result in the content being removed from your channel and you receiving a copyright strike. 3 copyright strikes may result in your channel being terminated. Also, some copyright protected material may result in a content ID claim where the original owner can either receive revenue from the content or have the content taken down. This course will be focused on generating business revenue by offering products or services on YouTube, but your videos can also be monetized through the YouTube's partner program. This is where YouTube will pay you based on ads displayed on your videos or any premium views that your videos receive. In order to be eligible for the partnership program, your channel must have over 4,000 hours of watch time over the previous 12 months and at least 1,000 subscribers. If you choose to join the partnership program, make sure you only monetize original content that you create or own the rights to. You should also only monetize advertiser-friendly content. Topics that you should avoid include inappropriate language, violence, adult content, harmful or dangerous acts, hateful content, drug use, tobacco or firearms related content, controversial issues, sensitive events, and adult themes and family content. I highly recommend reviewing YouTube's terms, policies, and guidelines on a periodic basis to avoid any violations. To review the most up-to-date version of YouTube's Terms of Service, visit youtube.com/t/terms. In the next lecture, we will take the first step to creating your YouTube business channel by setting up your new account. I'll see you in the next video.